Are you using ChatGPT just as a fancy Google search? If so, you're missing out on 90% of its power. Today, I'm showing you how to actually use ChatGPT to save hours every single day. Just sign up at chatgpt.com. Think of ChatGPT not as an answer-in AI assistant. The secret to getting incredible results: context and prompts.
Drafting and editing. Need to write a professional email to your boss or rewrite a cover letter? Don't start from scratch. Type, "Make this email sound polite yet firm," and watch it rewrite it in seconds.
Interests. Here's a pro tip. Always assign ChatGPT a role. Instead of asking how to prepare for an interview, act as a tech recruiter.
Whether you're a student, professional, or creator, ChatGPT is designed to work with you, not replace you.